Yo guys, welcome back to another video. It's not gonna be a Fortnite video, but this is gonna be a tutorial kind of how to and show recommendations. But I'm gonna show you how to create massive drifts in your PS4 controller, and it should help you in beast game like Fortnite, Call of Duty Warzone, and PUBG maybe. And it's gonna help you a lot, guys. Trust me, this actually worked for me. I had a lot of trick drifts. I tried to in my controller. It saved me $200. That's equal to 20 KD. Yeah, I actually fixed it. I'm going to show you how to fix it with my problem. So I faced a lot of problems with the controller. So what you're going to do first is hold the R button and the R button for 30 seconds at the same time. Okay, 30 seconds. Okay, let's go hold it. Let's go. 30 seconds almost done. Okay, so after 30 seconds you're just gonna go rotate right clockwise 5 times. Okay, exact 5 times, and then anti-clockwise 5 times, and then the same procedure before, R and R1 for 30 seconds, exact timing, 30 seconds. Okay, after this, done. Step 1 is the basic stuff is done. Now after this you gotta pull your R, the R3, or some people call R3, is lifted up to like the max. Okay, lift it hard up, make sure it doesn't break, so rotate it and check if it's perfectly fine. Okay, once this is done, turn to left and hit the below weak points, I mean the edges, not too hard so it breaks, not too hard, remember that. Kind of softly, just make the noise. Okay, from the right side as well, then from the left side. Make sure all the sides perfectly fine. This is very important step, guys, don't miss this. After this is done, you have seen all the edges, and then you lift it up again for the third step, the final step. Blow through it. There'll be gaps between, you can't see. Once you lift the R, you have to blow through left, right, up, down, overall. Blow it nicely so that all the dirt comes out from it, and it's perfectly fine. Then this is the last step. Okay, so I think it's done right now. As you can see, the controller is fully done. No more drifts, I guess, hopefully. And you can reset all the settings and try again. If it doesn't work for you, you have to keep on doing this. Almost took me at least 30 days. No need of screwdrivers, no need of opening, nothing, just normal opening, cleaning and stuff. So yes, this is the end. If you like the video, don't forget to smash a like, subscribe if you're new to my channel, # notification card in the comment down below, and if you want me to make more videos, enjoy.